Dear friends, today's topic is best 5G smartphones in India. This is the topic for today. As you know, 5G revolution is on the way. In the next minimum 6 months period, either Jio, Vodafone and Airtel, they are likely to release the 5G network. Already 4G networks are available with us, and compared to 4G speed, 5G speed will be excellently very high compared to the present 4G speed, as you all know. So let us see the best 5G smartphones available in India as on today. Okay, so let us go. Presently, these are the 6 different 5G smartphones which are available in India. There is the Galaxy S21 Ultra, then OnePlus Nord, then OnePlus 8 Pro, then OnePlus 8T, then MI 10T Pro and MI 10i. Let us see each 5G smartphones, right, and let us glance through their sites and have a virtual look of the different 5G smartphones which are available in India, right. Just let us go. So first is the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G. Okay, it has a night mode. It captures night like a dream, right. This is the Samsung.com website. So we will have a glance through the different 5G smartphones through their original websites. Okay, just a minute. So the bright night sensor is our deepest sleep in low light photography, capturing bright vivid colors in the dark of night. It will shoot clear images with more speed and significantly less noise, also controlling the exposure time, right. This is Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G. We call it Ultra for a reason. It has 5nm processor, the fastest chip ever in Galaxy phone. Two times faster AI. Then 20% faster CPU. 35% faster GPU. Up to 16 GB RAM. India's that is Galaxy's first nm processor. It packs epic power and speed. This outstanding upgrade means faster processing or more intelligence in every aspects of Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G. 16 GB of RAM available with 512 GB storage. Okay, and Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G model, 12 GB of RAM available with 256 GB S21 Ultra 5G models. Security, lock it up. The Knox security platform delivers a high level of security, protecting your phone from the chip up and giving you more confidence in your data and app permission. It also features Samsung Knox Vault to keep your biometric authentication data under wraps. This is 5000 mAh battery, intelligent battery. Okay, 5000 mAh intelligent battery. All day power has outdone itself. The Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G's intelligent battery outlasts the day even on 5G, maxing out at a massive 5000 mAh. It combines with the new power efficient display and processor to live on beyond the 24-hour mark. It has a super fast charging, delivers more than 50% charge in just 30 minutes with the 25-watt travel adapter. Then fast wireless charging 2.0 gives you a quick power up without the cable. That facility is also there. Then wireless power share lets you use your phone to charge your buds, watch, or a friend's phone. So S21 Ultra 5G Galaxy looks nice. Storage, save your memories with peace of mind. With up to 512 GB in built-in memory, you can store thousands and thousands of high-resolution photos and videos. Also, OneDrive lets you automatically synchronize your files to the cloud, so they are protected and easy to access from all your devices. See, this smartphone looks nice. It's water resistant. Okay, the phone is water resistant. A little water does not hurt. IP68 rated protection it has. Then 5G. Okay, 5G. Hyperfast Wi-Fi, world's first Wi-Fi 6E, reaches high speed so you can stay connected quickly and reliably. Dual SIM. This will allow you to use a nano SIM. Then gaming, epic performance beyond this world. Nice display. From one big screen to another. Google Duo, big screen chat. With the Google Duo is a new way to catch up with your friend or loved one, dialing up the fun with colorful backgrounds. Then motion mirror lets you project your phone to your TV so you can follow your workout routine. Link to Windows, your phone or on your PC. You can experience the running of mobile application right from your Windows 10 PC. Galaxy Smart Tag. S Pen is precision at your fingertips. The phone also has S Pen. Okay. The first S Pen for the Galaxy S series. Rewriting the rules for mobile by delivering an incredibly realistic pen feeling. This is the S Pen. You can write something on the screen. Then Galaxy Buds Pro, make everyday sounds more epic. So it's an extension of Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G. You will hear clear, defined audio. Okay, this is the Galaxy Buds Pro. This is a box. Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G. This is the phone, smartphone. It includes Type-C data cable, USB, ejection pin, quick start guide. How many cameras does Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G have? There is a total of 4 rear cameras and one 40 MB selfie camera. The rear camera include one 108 MB wide angle camera, one 12 MB ultra wide camera and two 10 MB telephoto cameras. Does Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G have a 120 GHz display? Yes. It comes with a super smooth 120 Hz display. How big is Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G? 6.8 inch screen. Okay. And the weight is 229 gram. Does Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G support eSIM? Yes. Does the phones come with S Pen? Yes. S Pen is sold separately. Highlights, showroom, models, accessories. Meet the phone made for the epic in every day. Nice build quality. Two types are there, 6.7 inch and 6.2. Infinity O display, dynamic AMOLED 2X, high comfort shield, super smooth 120 Hz display. Sleek silver, phantom silver, phantom black, phantom pink. Gorilla Glass for protection. It delivers scratch and damage resistance. $8K. It supports 8K. So excellent. Take epic photos in every 8K videos. 8K video is the highest resolution in a smartphone, making your footage look even better than the cinema. And with the 8K 24 FPS, every vlog and memory is your next shot at stardom. Record, upload and watch right on YouTube. single take, one take, and that is a wrap. Super steady on. '60 FPS videos. Selfie 10 MB, ultra wide camera 12 MB, wide angle camera 12 MB, telephoto camera 64 MB. '64 Pro grade camera. Can shoot in 64 megapixel resolution, so that we can capture with a clarity that makes photo look like a work of art. Instagram ready instantly. Night mode. Night mode looks nice, very clear. (30x space zoom). Say farewell to far away. Is 1x. Wait a minute. This is 30x. Enhanced camera quality allows for 30x digital zoom. Selfie mode is enhanced by AI. Intelligent battery outlasts your all-nighters. Super fast charging. Fast wireless charging also is there. Wireless power share. Fastest chip with 5nm processor. 8GB RAM. Up to 256GB inbuilt memory. You've seen IP68 rated protection. 5G. Hyper fast 5G. Does dual SIM, let you use nano SIM and eSIM for 2 data plans in one device. Okay. And let us go to the showroom. Let's do it. See in 360 degree. So this is the phone. Yeah, different colors. Okay, phantom pink, phantom white, phantom grey, phantom violet. Two models, S21 5G, S21 plus 5G. This phantom black and phantom silver. Check out the features. Offers. Both phones are 5G ready. Compatibility dependent upon 5G network availability in India. See, price is also given. It's 59,999. This Galaxy S21 plus 5G, 8GB RAM, 128GB storage. Okay. Actual price is 83,999, but this price is 59,999. Next, let us go to OnePlus Nord. Okay, this is another 5G smartphone from OnePlus. It costs 24,999. It comes under 20K to 30K smartphone category. See, flagship camera, nightscape, dual selfie cameras, Oxygen OS, 90Hz AMOLED LED display, Snapdragon 765G processor, 5G ready, Watt Charge 330T. So here, nice phone, excellent. I think grey. Okay, this is another color, blue. This is grey. This is grey. This is blue. Ash color. Ash color looks nice. Four rear cameras, two front cameras. It comes with 48 MB primary sensor as the similar to the OnePlus 8 with optical image stabilization to eliminate blur and shakiness from every photo. So here 8 MB, 48 MB, 5 MB, 2 MB. It's nightscape photograph taken using OnePlus Nord. Nice, excellent image. And record in 4K at 60 selfies per second. Hz display. Oxygen OS. Comes with the Oxygen OS 10.5. It has a display of 2048 automatic brightness for smoother brightness transition. It is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G 5G mobile platform. Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G. Nord is ready for 5G. Whenever 5G is ready for 5G. 5G Qualcomm Snapdragon. Okay, nice phone with the less price. This looks attractive. Gray ash. Right, the price is also less. It starts from 24,999. It starts from 25,000 approximately. Specifications. So the weight is 184 kg. Okay, gram. Sorry, 184 gram. Video 4K video at 30 or 60 fps. Right, so price is this. In online mode, the stock is out of stock now. When you press notify, then whenever the stock comes, they will inform. That means there is a huge demand for this OnePlus Nord phone. See here, 6 GB, 64 GB cost 24,999. 8 GB, 128 GB cost 27,999. 12 GB, 256 GB cost 29,999. So, reasonable price. But presently it is out of stock, but they will inform once you press notify. Then let us go to OnePlus 8 Pro. Right, this costs 54,999. OnePlus 8 Pro. It is another 5G smartphone. It has 120 Hz fluid display. Same Snapdragon 865, 5G warp charge, 30 wireless, 48 MP quad camera. This is OnePlus 8 Pro 5G phone. QHD Plus. One Hz. Powerful 5G performance. It has Wi-Fi 6, Smart 5G. Automatically switches between 5G and non-5G networks, extending your battery life. It has Dolby Atmos. Immersive entertainment, charge fast your way. Photography made powerful, dynamic 48 MB quad camera. It's 48 MB ultra wide angle, 8 MB hybrid zoom camera, 5 MB filter camera. So quad camera. Go wide day or night. Pet friendly snaps. Shades of perfection. It's available in 3 variants: Onyx black, glacial green, ultramarine blue. Okay, 3 different colors, all attractive colors. IP68 rating, water resistant. Nice phone. . . So next let us go to OnePlus 8T 5G. OnePlus 8T 5G is another 5G smartphone from OnePlus. In OnePlus we have 5G smartphones. Sorry, three 5G smartphones as on April 2021. Ultra fast charging, ultra smooth scrolling. The price starts from 42,999. Okay, 120 Hz fluid display, 65 watt charge, Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 with 5G. Aqua marine green. Nice. These are all lunar. Lunar silver. OnePlus 8T 5G. Warp charge 65. One charger, many devices. $865 Qualcomm Snapdragon processor. The future is 5G. 5G means 100 times faster than 4G. Okay. "3D soundscapes with full Dolby Atmos support. Designed to protection. Lunar silver. This is aquamarine green. Nightscape mode. Nice, excellent. Super stable on. Lights, camera, OnePlus 8T 5G. 4K video, 60 FPS. 79 degree, 100 degree, 123 degree. Stay front and center. Fresh and immersive redesign. Introducing always on display. Okay, nice smartphone. Price starting with from 42,999. Okay, OnePlus 8T 5G. Then MI MI smartphone, MI 10T Pro. So this is a smartphone The price is 37,999. Right, Mi 10T Pro 5G intelligent ultra precision camera. Battery capacity 5000 mAh, Snapdragon 865, 108 MB ultra precision triple camera, 144 Hz intelligent adaptive synchronous display, 33 volt dual split fast charge, 8K video recording is there, 5G Wi-Fi 6. One not 8 MB HMX sensor. Okay. Ultra precision camera. Nice. $8K video recording is there. 7680 into 4320 ultra high resolution. Long exposure modes. Hz refreshing intelligent display. Improves gaming performance since 144 Hz. MEMC technology improves fluidity of low frame rate content. 6.67 inch FHD plus 2 color dot display. Comfortable viewing at all times. Best in class 5G performance equipped with flagship modules. Lightning fast connectivity, supports more 5G bands. Supports Wi-Fi 6. mAh high capacity battery. Dual split fast charge 33 watt. (3D) recording. Side mounted fingerprint sensor. Dual super linear speakers. Okay. Liquid cool technology. Brand new design philosophy. It's cosmic silver. This is lunar silver. Added protection, silver ion antibacterial case plus antibacterial screen protector. So nice smartphone, Mi 10T Pro for this budget. Next comes Mi 10i. Starts from 20,999. Okay, this is a 5G smartphone. Okay, Mi 10i 5G, perfect 10. It has 108 MB rear camera, 5G ready, 120 Hz intelligent synchronous display, 4820 mAh battery, 33 watt fast charging, Snapdragon 750G. Outstanding all-rounder camera. 108 MB, 2 MB macro, 2 MB depth, 8 MB ultra wide. Capture unexpected details. Get a broader perspective, stand out from the background, closer perspective, get a broader perspective. More modes to explore your creativity. Dual perspective, dual discovery. You can record with front and back camera simultaneously with this amazing feature. Enjoy the 5G era with hardcore performance. Beat the speed test. Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G. And 20 Hz intelligent adaptive synchronous display. Outstanding visual experience. (4820 mAh powerful battery, fast charging 33 watt, uniform speed without disruption, in 58 minutes 0 to 100% charge. Mi 10i 5G. So nice phone for 20,999. Okay. Then let us see this ROG Phone 3 from Asus. It is also another 5G smartphone. So the price starts from 46,999, then 49,999, then 54,000. Depending upon the RAM and storage capacity. 8GB 128 this rate, 12GB 128 this rate, 12GB 256 this rate. Price. (6,000 mAh battery, massive with 30 watt hypercharge. It's also 144 Hz AMOLED display. World's first flagship with Snapdragon 865 Plus and ROG Game Cool 3. 5G wireless connectivity. 7 magnet stereo loudspeakers, front firing. It has Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 plus 5G. Octa-core processor. High performance graphics, advanced multi-level processor cooling, fastest and the most accurate visuals. (6,000 mAh battery, massive. USB-C charging port, dual. 64 MB higher resolution, 24 MB higher resolution front. So ultra wide 13 MB. Sony IMX 686 flagship camera. 4K videos. Okay. 60 and 30 fps. Also 8K videos, 30 fps. Enhanced control for shooting videos. Noise cancellation, vertical and landscape mode. Asus is the Taiwan's most valued brand. Okay, so these are the various smartphones which are available in India, right? So you can either go for Galaxy S21 or X21 plus 5G, right? But the cost is significantly higher. Or OnePlus Nord, cost is quite less, starts with approximately 28,000 only. Then OnePlus 8 Pro 54,000, that is 55,000 approximately. Then OnePlus 8T 5G, it costs 43,000 approximately. Then Mi 10T Pro 37,000, approximately 38,000. The Mi 10i, it is the least cheapest phone, 20,000, 21,000 approximately. Then the Asus starts from 46,000, that is 47,000 approximately, right? So you decide on which phone you need to buy, right? Okay, thank you. These are the best 5G smartphones in India as of now. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Thank you.